Ladies, gentlemen, board member, graduates, and guests, good evening. Welcome to the Insurance Institute of New-Brunswick Convocation and Award Ceremony. My name is Christine Doucet.
And my name is Monique LeBlanc.
And we are privileged to be your host for this evening. Tonight, we are here to celebrate the achievement of our graduates. Graduating is not a simple term of accomplishment. Graduation means hard work, dedication, discipline, moving forward, and finally, receiving the requirement for completion.
We hope that you will enjoy this evening's ceremony, and we encourage you to join the conversation or to post on social media throughout the evening using hashtag IICGrad2021.
We would like to introduce our sponsor for this evening's celebration. Once again, they came through with their generous donation in order to help us make this evening special for you, the graduates. On behalf of the Insurance Institute of New-Brunswick and the graduates, I would like to thank the following sponsors. This evening, diamond sponsors, Assurion.
Our platinum sponsor, TD Insurance.
Our gold sponsors, Economical Insurance. Wawanisa Mutual Insurance. CEP Forensic. Strum Consulting.
Our silver sponsors, Crawford and Company, Electrical Inspection Services, Murphy Colette Murphy, Portage Mutual, CICMA New-Brunswick, BINGHAM Law, Anderson McTagg, Angus Miller, Foster and Company, First On-Site Restoration, Cooperators,
Aviva Canada. Our bronze sponsors, Contrast Engineering, ClaimsPro, Point of Origin. Again, thank you for your generous donation. It is my pleasure to congratulate our new graduates on their terrific achievement. I wish we could be together in person to meet you, our newest professional, but I am impressed and proud of your achievement all the same. And now you will hear a few words from our president of the Insurance Institute of New-Brunswick, Mr. Richard Raven.
Hello and welcome to all, and congratulations to our students. Bonsoir, bienvenue à tous, et félicitations aux élèves. You have reached this educational achievement through dedication, commitment, and absolute focus. The effort you have put forth in attaining your CIP designation distinctly establishes you as an insurance professional. The industry is remarkably dynamic. It offers an abundance of challenging and interesting career choices for those who, like yourself, made the necessary commitment in developing your skills and knowledge. I encourage you in the years to come to continue your path to greater learning and expertise, as it's this learning and professional development that are the cornerstones of our success. Once again, congratulations et félicitations.
Thank you, Richard. It is a reality that every year our industry changes and presents us with new challenges. We see extreme weather and cyber attack and pandemic, for example. As the world around us constantly evolve, our industry must respond to these changes. But it's not enough for us to simply keep up. We must maintain our position in the forefront of these developments so we can provide consumer with the best advice, the most innovative product, and the highest quality service they have come to expect. During these constant change, there's one thing that never changes. Leaders like our graduates. They will always command respect. As leaders in the insurance field, you will be sought out to provide advice and guidance and use your professional and technical skills to ensure a positive customer experience, whether you are dealing with automobile accident, natural disaster, or game-changing technology. As CIP graduates, we come prepared. I would now like to invite Monique LeBlanc, manager of the Insurance Institute of New Brunswick, to say a few words.
Dear graduate, it's an honor to be part of your celebration this evening. I'm very proud of each and every one of you on your success for completing your respective designation. Every accomplishment starts with a decision to try, a motivation to further your career with additional knowledge and premium education. You did it, and this evening I celebrate you, the graduates. This evening is your night to shine. You have finished one amazing journey, but it certainly won't be your last one. Be proud. If you look back at all the times you felt that you could not study anymore, that you were overwhelmed, or that you had to make so many personal sacrifices, it paid off. Again, congratulations. I look forward to seeing where your new journey will lead you in your career, and this evening, I'm very proud of each and every one of you. Thank you.
Thank you, Monique. We now have a couple of very special messages. Although our President and CEO of the Insurance Institute of Canada, Mr. Peter Holman, could not be live with us this evening, I am honored to share with you his congratulatory message. Peter's message will be immediately followed by a few words from the Chair of the Board of Governors of the Insurance Institute of Canada, Heather Masterson.
Hello everyone, and congratulations graduates on your wonderful achievements, made all the more distinguished by these many months of lockdowns, homeschooling children, and remote work. Resilient, adaptable, and a personal desire to learn qualities that empowered Institute students to continue their professional development during the pandemic and strengthened their ability to embrace change and uncertainty. All the more important as the industry increases its reliance on data and technology and the pace of change increases exponentially. People need to keep their knowledge and skills current to remain relevant and thrive in this environment. Institute graduates have demonstrated that they are up to the task. Each graduate has their own unique story of the challenges they faced to earn their Institute designation, particularly during the many months of stay-at-home orders and sometimes very personal impacts of the virus. Congratulations on your tremendous accomplishments during these most extraordinary circumstances. I would also like to take this opportunity to thank your support networks, families, friends, and colleagues who helped you through the challenges over the years and more recently during COVID. I also extend a special thank you to industry employers who in normal times provide financial support for your education and the Institute. During the pandemic, they stepped up and continued their support uninterrupted. And while I really would much prefer to be there in person with you, your health and well-being is paramount. So we hope that you find your virtual convocation a great way to celebrate your success as we all busy ourselves settling into our new world of work. Congratulations to our newest designated professionals and completers of our diploma programs. You have worked long and hard and sacrificed a great deal to arrive here. These accomplishments and your new knowledge will serve you well in this wonderful industry and the career that lies ahead for you. Best wishes for every success.
Welcome to our virtual convocation. We are here today to celebrate the hard work and accomplishments of our 2021 graduates. This is a very special day for our graduates and for the family, friends, and employers who have supported them through their educational journey. Participating in convocation ceremonies like this one is one of the things I enjoy the most as chair of the IIC. While we are unable to host an in-person convocation once again this year, I'm pleased we can come together to celebrate with you virtually. Now, let me congratulate you on having achieved this milestone under extraordinary circumstances. The determination and the resilience you've demonstrated will serve you well throughout your entire insurance career. I also want to commend you on making such a rewarding career choice. Insurance is an industry that is dedicated to helping people recover from the unexpected. With every insurance policy we sell, we make a promise to our customers to be there when they need us the most, to help put their lives back together, and to get businesses up and running again. Knowing we play a small part in making someone's life whole again is a very powerful reward, and it makes what we do extremely meaningful. Your role as an insurance professional will be both rewarding and interesting. And whether you're interested in underwriting or claims, risk management, finance, technology, human resources, law, engineering, marketing, or sales, there's a place in our industry for you. And the opportunities to develop and to progress your career are unlimited. But thanks in part to the hard work you've invested in your professional development, you will be well prepared to meet the challenges and the opportunities that lie ahead. On behalf of the Board of Governors of the Insurance Institute of Canada, it is my pleasure and my privilege to extend our congratulations to you on this most significant achievement and to offer you our best wishes as you embark on the next phase of your career.
Thank you, Peter and Heather. We wish that you could have been here with us this evening.
Graduates, we know that it's not easy in the best of times to go back to school while maintaining a demanding job, being there for your family, and staying on top of all of your other responsibilities. Then suddenly, COVID-19 threw another big challenge into the mix. But you demonstrated resilience and rose to the occasion. You should feel especially proud of your achievement given today's realities. In this even more complicated environment, we need qualified, knowledgeable professionals who can use the critical thinking skills developed through demanding and thought-provoking programs like the CIP and FCIP. Your CIP or FCIP provides validation that you are a professional, that you are experienced, educated, and ethical, and that you are qualified to help people through their insurance experiences.
Now that you have accomplished this level, I invite you to carry on your tradition and excellence. Look to the future and continue raising the bar. When you need a new challenge, the Institute will be there for you. Whether you're looking to take an advanced CIP, tackle the fellowship program, or even stepping up to teach a course yourself. We encourage you to become an active member of the CIP Society. Stay connected with your fellow professionals and become involved with the Institute and the industry. With your designation in hand, I hope you will always continue to be committed and passionate in what you do. Nothing less then your best effort will suffice. Passionate people get things done. They energize people and build enthusiasm in their communities around them. On behalf of the staff and board of directors of the Insurance Institute of New Brunswick, it is our pleasure to extend our congratulations. We applaud your determination and have our deepest admiration and respect on this wonderful achievement. Well done, and thank you.
I now invite you to listen to Jordan Thompson, one of our CIP graduates.
Hey everyone, I'm Jordan Thompson, recent CIP graduate from the Moncton chapter. I've been in the insurance industry now coming up on 6 years, and I've been enrolled in this program for just over 4 years. So I recently graduated or completed my designation a semester ago. So when I completed that, it was a huge weight off my shoulders, super big relief to be able to say, hey, I did it. The majority of my designation was completed through a pandemic. Like everybody else, those ups and downs of COVID-19. For me, I have many different hobbies, and those hobbies were all put on hold due to various lockdowns. So for me, I took what time I would have spent in hobbies and put that into my studies. Sometimes I was crazy enough to venture into 2 courses at a time. If you're brave enough to do that, by all means, I tip my hat to you, because it's a struggle, but it's definitely rewarding. The CIP to me was something that once I started, I decided I needed to finish this. I needed to go from course 1 to course 10. I'm not somebody that comes from an education background. I attempted university a few different times and it just wasn't for me. I was never the ideal student. I was never the person that could sit still in a classroom and focus. So for me, coming into the insurance industry, wanting to grow and develop my career further, and seeing that the company that I work for really invests in their employees by providing this opportunity, it was a no-brainer for me. I enrolled in my first course. A lot of big life changes happened at the same time. Purchasing a house, getting a puppy, closing on the house, moving into the house. So my first exam wasn't the eye-opener. It was a bit of an eye-opener for myself. It wasn't successful, so I thought about throwing in the towel and saying, you know what, I can't do this. A few months went by, I decided, give it another try, rewrote, passed, and then it was like, okay, let's keep this momentum going. I transitioned into a role within my job as a trainer. So for me, wanting to be able to provide my students the most accurate information, the best information, and some really, different scenarios, the CIP gives me those tools. So it gives me those tools to talk about different aspects of the industry. And when I'm teaching these students my employer-specific content, I can pull from what I've learned in the CIP courses. I often get asked from a lot of my students, how soon should I start? Well, it's really a personal preference. If you feel ready right out of training, or you're just brand new to the industry and want to continue that learning right away, go for it. If you feel ready, just jump right in. It doesn't matter if you take 1 course a year, 2 courses a year, 4 courses a year, just do it. It's great education, it's great insight, and it's only going to help you better yourself through the course of your career. For me, that was the biggest thing. I wanted to say, you know what, I started a program, I finished the program, and I completed that program. It helps me in my day-to-day job by giving my students, my employees, additional information. It gives them additional insight. But for me, it's just a huge sense of accomplishment to see those 3 letters after my name and my email signature, and knowing that I was successful. I didn't really take much of a break. I remember getting my final grades in my email, and the next morning was reaching out to Monique and Christine at the Institute in Moncton saying, hey, I passed my last 2 courses. Now, how do I sign up to teach these things? So this semester was my first semester teaching with the Institute, and I took on 3 different courses, and so far so good. I've been loving it, and I'm signed up to teach again next semester. It's a different type of teaching experience that I get to bring to my full-time job, and my full-time job gets to bring to this part-time employment as well. It definitely wasn't easy. I had to make sacrifices. I had to choose between going out with friends or, taking a vacation sometimes and studying for an exam. I had to, put aside those evenings of let's go for supper, let's, go downtown and meet up with some friends that I haven't seen in a while, let's go to a concert, but tomorrow morning I have an exam. It made me feel like I was in high school all over again and needing to prioritize what was more important in that moment. The designation as a whole, it's an honor to say that I was able to achieve that designation, and I strongly recommend everybody that's in the industry kind of take that on and, take your time and work towards that.
And now, the moment that you have all been waiting for. Tonight's special guests are graduates. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in recognizing our 2020-2021 Chartered Insurance Professional graduates.
Amadou Mufutau, PAA, the Cooperators. Laura Buck, CIP, the Cooperators. Brennan D. Burke, CIP, the Cooperators. Caitlin Chambers, CIP, HB Group Insurance Management. Jason Court, CIP, Aviva Canada. Courtney Crossman, CIP, the Cooperators. Rosa Serrano, CIP, Intac Insurance Company. Tracy Ann Curry, CIP, the Cooperators. Sylvie Després, CIP, Wawanisa Mutual Insurance. Ibtizam Elzin Isa, CIP. Cindy Drapeau, CIP, Intac Insurance Company. Andrew Werner Fisher, CIP, Desjardins General Insurance. Krista Fisher, CIP, the Cooperators. Alexa Fitzsimon, CIP, the Cooperators. Jessica Flanagan, CIP, the Cooperators. Catherine Godet, CIP, Angus Miller Insurance. Amber Alice Gades, CIP, Allstate Insurance Company. Ben Isle, CIP, Irving. Christine Johnson, CIP, the Cooperators. Derek Jones, CIP, the Cooperators. Cedric Kabongo, CIP, the Cooperators. Ashley Keith, CIP, Wawanisa Mutual Insurance. Carrie LeBlanc, CIP, the Cooperators. Chris Légère, CIP, the Cooperators. Jennifer Légère, CIP. Luc Lirette, CIP, Intac Insurance Company. Christina Dawn Lutz, CIP, the Cooperators. Brigitte Blanche McIntyre, CIP, the Cooperators. Darcy McNeil, CIP, TD Insurance. Denis Lecoq, PAA, The Cooperators. Christopher Melvin, CIP, Wawanisa Mutual Insurance. Kirsten Lynn Merrill, CIP, The Cooperators. Catherine Milton, CIP, The Cooperators. Alina Alice Nashiu, CIP, Wawanisa Mutual Insurance. Krista Rackham, CIP, The Cooperators. Ashley Richard, CIP, Wawanisa Mutual Insurance. Kimberly Elizabeth Beryl Ricker, CIP, TD Insurance. Marc Ringuet, CIP, Wawanisa Mutual Insurance. Belinda Adele Ripley, CIP, Southeastern Mutual Insurance. Tammy Robinson, CIP, The Cooperators. Julien Savoie, CIP, Allstate Canada. Amit Sharma, CIP, The Cooperators. Nathan Daniel Short, CIP, TD Insurance. Monique Yvette Thibodeau, CIP, The Cooperators. Jordan Kenneth Thompson, CIP, The Cooperators. Nicole Vautour, CIP, The Cooperators. André-Anne Wagner, CIP. Laura Wallen, CIP, The Cooperators. Shelley Williamson, CIP, Wawanisa Mutual Insurance. Congratulations once again to our new 2021 CIP graduates.
We will now proceed with our Advanced Chartered Insurance Professional graduates.
Amber Tickles, Angus Miller Insurance.
Eric Testi, The Cooperators.
We continue with our Commercial Insurance Certificate recipient. Julie Cole, GM and CW Hope Grant. Next, this evening, Risk Management Certificate recipient. Babatunde Brema.
Christine Doucet, the Insurance Institute of New-Brunswick.
Ben Isle, Irving. Monique LeBlanc, the Insurance Institute of New-Brunswick. Our sincere congratulations on your hard-earned success. We hope you feel proud today and confident in your ability to rise to your next challenge. We will now listen to a few messages dedicated to our graduates.
Hello everyone. I'm happy to have this opportunity to congratulate you on your graduation. You've put in the effort and reached a goal you've worked hard to achieve. It's true that your graduation marks the end of one phase of your education, but it's also the first step in what I hope will be a rewarding, lifelong journey in your career. Our industry needs motivated individuals like you. Keep learning and keep striving. You all have bright futures ahead. Congratulations.
Hi everyone, I'm Tom Reichman, Chief Distribution Officer for Economical Insurance. On behalf of all of my colleagues at Economical, Sonnet, Petline, and Family, I'd like to congratulate all Insurance Institute graduates. This is a remarkable milestone in your careers, and you should be very proud of this accomplishment. We wish you all the best in the future, and congratulations again.
Hi, my name is Carol Jardine. I'm the President of the Canadian Operations here at Wawanesa Mutual. I want to join in congratulating all the Insurance Institute graduates today, but most importantly, to the 111 Wawanesa Mutual graduates across the country, thank you and well done. You've invested in yourself, you've given time, your family has been engaged, and most importantly, you're making sure that we are of the highest caliber of professionalism in our industry. If you've just graduated with your GIE or CIP, I would encourage you to go on and get your fellowship. And if you've just graduated with your fellowship, well done. You've got the highest level of educational achievement that our industry offers. Thank you for all of your dedication. Thank you for committing to our industry. Congratulations and well done.
Hi everyone. Just wanted to take a couple of minutes to congratulate all the graduates from the Insurance Institute in 2021. It's great to see that so many people are having at heart the betterment of the industry. It's great. We are in a fantastic industry where we give back a lot to people, to society, and I'm very happy to see all of you being able to use that time of COVID to gain experience and to gain knowledge. So that is fantastic. I also like to specifically congratulate the Intact people that have done it. So we have a large group of people that are graduating this year. So congratulations, félicitations à tous. Je suis très content de voir que vous avez étudié fort pendant les derniers mois. Donc just keep it up. It's so important going forward to be on top of our game. So on that, again, congratulations to everyone, and look to see you very soon. Bye-bye.
We are now going to move on to the presentation of our local award winners. This part of tonight's celebration provides us with the opportunity to recognize those people who have distinguished themselves as our top academic achievers. Often, only small margin separates the prize winners. But these students have gone the extra distance, worked just that much harder, and challenged themselves to go above and beyond to reach the pinnacle of academic success.
Congratulations to Alexa Fitzsimmons for obtaining the Angus Miller Top CIP Award, sponsored by Angus Miller Limited. Congratulations to Kirsten Merrill for obtaining the Brian D. Taylor Award, runner-up CIP, sponsored by ClaimsPro.
Before we present the Atlantic Vice Chair Award, I am pleased to share with you a video of Ellen O'Donnell, Atlantic Vice Chair.
Hello and welcome from the Atlantic region. I would like to congratulate each and every one of our graduates and award winners. What a lot of work and commitment has gone into this evening. Enjoy the doors that will be open for you. Keep on learning, keep on growing, but today, enjoy yourselves. Celebrate you. Thank those around you that have helped make this possible, and enjoy your evening. Good night.
And now, for our Atlantic Vice Chair Award recipients, congratulations to Samantha Williams for obtaining the highest mark in C12, Insurance on Property. This award is sponsored by the Insurance Institute of New-Brunswick.
Also, congratulations to Jordan Thompson for obtaining the highest mark in the Atlantic for C16, Business of Insurance. Atlantic Award is sponsored by the Insurance Institute of New-Brunswick. Congratulations to all of you. Now, our last award for this evening is for our Volunteer of the Year award. We are always very grateful to our many volunteers who dedicate their time and commitment to the Institute on a regular basis, and choosing this recipient is not an easy task. I now present Sandra Batten to present the award.
On behalf of the entire SE Mutual Insurance team, we would like to extend our congratulations to all tonight's graduates. Achieving your insurance designation requires determination and commitment, along with the support of family, friends, colleagues, and employers. Taking courses while working full-time and having family and personal commitments is no small feat, so again, we extend our congratulations to you. SE Mutual is pleased to be the sponsor of the Insurance Institute's Volunteer of the Year Award. I think we can all agree that so many organizations are dependent on volunteers for their success, and the Insurance Institute would be one of those. So we want to extend our thanks to all the volunteers at the Institute. The recipient of this year's award has been an active career ambassador with the Institute since 2016. She never shies away from a challenge. Recently, she's been part of virtual presentations for high schools. These presentations were recorded and have been distributed across Canada. This initiative has given her the title of Council Champion with the Insurance Institute of Canada. She's always been an advocate building the Insurance Institute's brand while appearing in advertisements or volunteering for career fairs at universities or colleges. We are honored to present our 2021 Volunteer of the Year Award recipient, Deborah Steves, FCIP. Congratulations, Deborah.
Again, congratulations to all our award recipients. I would like to take this opportunity to thank all of our instructors for their dedication to the Insurance Institute, our students, and our industry. Their effort helped shape the future of our industry. Our instructors really have gone above and beyond over the past year to maneuvering all course to virtual.
Also playing an important role within our institute and our industry is our board of directors, who volunteer and dedicate their time to the industry. Our 2020-2021 board of directors: Richard Raven, President; Denise Babin, Past President; Marie Clifford, First Vice President; Caroline Boudreau, Second Vice President; Allison Brown, Treasurer; and now our directors: Sue Scribner, Tammy Champion, Greg Potton, Wendy Stevens, Alan Batten, Simeon Rodin.
In conclusion, again, a big thank you to our sponsors. They made this evening a success. Our volunteers, member, and guests, congratulations to all of our graduates.
It has been an honor for us to be among such accomplished individuals and to be able to be present before you all. We are now inviting you to turn on your video and share a toast. Thank you and enjoy the rest of your evening.